Hi, this is Tyler with Everyday Machine Works. Today we are working on this JMT Dcba A360. Stock ID is LJJ. This saw will do 360 by 360 commie meters, metric, whatever you want to call it. In, SAE, that's 14 inches by 14 inches. It's equipped as an auto feed saw, bunch of cool features in it. It's got top vise for bundles, has an auto feed that is a clamp version. I'm just going to run this through a couple of things so you can see all that stuff work. We'll just run it through the manual mode to show it's all intact and happy to run. Maybe you can see back in there the top vise that does the bundle work is moving. Okay, we're just going to be clamping a piece of wood and running that through. That way I don't have to have coolant set up. If I can get this button to hit. Up with the main stack. You can see that feed right through. It's pretty cool. Fire up that conveyor. You see it's pulling chip out. And let's run that saw. It's a little slow mover, but what do you expect when you're trying to cut metal with a piece of wood, or vice versa. The other cool feature that this saw has is it has a hydraulic tensioner for the blade, which can be controlled through this screen. So it does a quick change on all of that. If you have any other questions, please reach out. As always, thanks for watching.